I'm alive today only because of Birdfoot.
3 fag 2 food week dog 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speed on. Cook give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
I never have doctor. I never blackbird. A Dr. Bird, man. And me always have my mother sitting in. A Dr. Bird, man. Hey. Yeah, David, you good?
Yeah, man, me good. For some reason, me think I didn't want blackbird to the kill, but either way, they can't believe so me get the foot. But if I the foot me get, now that me have second and go on with, sir.
God almighty, that's where you go. Remember, man. Remember, man. You always remember about that.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for this video, I have another story time for you. Yes, I got a lot of stories. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay? And remember, it's God for the win always. Because without God, you cannot do anything. Check this out. I'm going to bring it down so y'all can see it. God for the win. Now, if you like this shirt, and I'll show y'all some more, I'll put the website in my description. Go check it out and get you one of these shirts. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I created them. So hit that link in my description. Go check it out and grab you one of these nice shirts. All right. So, actually, I need one more favor before I get into this story. Run over to TNR Reactions and More and TJs Funtivities. Hit that subscribe button and show them some love, okay? All right, so as you all know, I grew up in Jamaica, raised by my grandma. I said this so many times, a lot of people should know this by now, okay? So, where my grandma lived, it was me and my little cousins. We were the only two kids there. However, my first cousin and his sister, they lived with their mom and dad in a house that's probably maybe like 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes walking from our house. So during summer, you know, they'd come down there, spend a few weeks, and I loved it just because my first cousin, me and him were only maybe we're only a few months apart. So when he's there, you know what I'm saying, I have somebody that's as old as I am, so it's a different vibe. My cousin that I grew up with, he's like 5 years behind me, so you know what I'm saying, he was younger. He was getting into stuff that I was getting into, so yeah. But anyway, this particular summer, my cousin came near, and for some reason we were just on a hunt for birds. So we would build our slingshot. Now in Jamaica, what we do, we cut the branch, you know, in the little Y. You've seen a slingshot, so you know. And we have this red rubber that we use to build it, and we have it's a black rubber. It comes off the rubber that goes in the inside of bicycle. The bicycle tire, there's a rubber that goes in there that you have to pump the air in. So we'll get that and we cut it because it's real flimsy. So you cut it, stretch it, and wrap that red part on there. And then we get a piece of leather to create the part where we're gonna put the rock in. Just so y'all can get a picture, because these slingshots that I've seen in America, that ain't it. Okay, that's how Jamaican slingshots are. The little Y is wood, the other parts is a thick rubber, and then we use the flimsy black rubber to wrap everything together to make sure it stays. All right? Okay. So this summer, like I said, we were on the hunt for birds for whatever reason. And every day we were out, we couldn't get any birds until one day we got lucky. Yep, one day we were out there and we shot a Dr. Bird, and it was the best day ever. But that ain't the crazy part. So my cousin, you know, he did all the cutting and whatnot, cut the bird open, and then he took the liver out and he roasted it and ate it. So he gave us a tiny piece. I'm like, it wasn't like it was a really small piece, because if you see how small a bird is, the liver ain't gonna be that big. So I took the bird's foot and I roasted it, and that's the part that I ate. He laughed at me. My grandma laughed at me. His sister, they all turned it into this whole thing because I chose the foot of all places to roast and eat. Now, if y'all know what a bird's foot looks like, it's nothing. It's real tiny. So you know there was nothing on there to eat. You probably just you gotta use the side of your teeth just to bite it.
Oh!
But I tell y'all, people, I'm gonna insert a clip of me and my cousin talking about this. Maybe it was last year sometime when I asked him if he remember, and he said, I remember that thing all the time. Like, why would somebody choose the bird foot of all things to eat? It doesn't make any sense because there's nothing on there. But I chose the foot. It was good. But listen, I don't know. I still can't believe I chose the foot. Why the foot? It was fun times though, you know what I'm saying? It was a simpler times. We were just playing, having fun. No one was thinking about the foot or nothing. We just ate the bird, you know what I'm saying? But everybody laughed at me because why the foot? There's nothing on there. That was a whole thing. To this day, when I bring up this story, there's nobody that'll sit there with a straight face when they hear that you ate the bird foot. Like, they always want to know, like, what was going through your head when you chose the foot? I don't know. I just chose that part. I don't know. But listen, the bird foot made me who I am today, so y'all don't judge me. I ate the bird foot, and I'm here today because the bird foot kept me. I'm alive today only because of bird foot. So y'all don't judge me, okay? But yeah, that was a simpler time though. Like, you know, summer was just crazy. It's not like now where you have summers and the kids are inside the house. Like, they're not outside playing. When summer came, everybody outside, all the kids in the neighborhood running around playing. We had these little sometimes we use bucket covers, sometimes we use the rim from the bicycle, and we'll get a bottle and we push a stick through the top of the bottle and then cut the bottle off to make like a little funnel type thing, and then we use it to guide the wheel. So it's almost like we're driving a little car, but we're running with the wheel and using that to guide it so it won't go all over the place. We just hold it like this, run with it, and it was so much fun. Like, we didn't buy cars, we used juice boxes to build trucks. Like, if you grew up in that time, you know how fun it was. It was amazing. And then during those summers where my cousin came to visit, my grandma would tell us ghost stories. I'm telling y'all, amazing. I miss those days so much. It's crazy. But yeah, that's my little story. I ate bird foot. What can I say? I hope y'all enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.
Vibes kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.